EdOdyssey was founded on a simple belief. Travel changes people. Their world expands, their perspective expands. And our mission is to create these moments, experiences that help students see themselves, their communities, and their futures with more clarity, confidence, and connection.
There's a collective anxiety among college-going students right now. There's a lot of economic uncertainty. They are working under incredible challenges with social media. For many of these students, we haven't given them places to fail and to be able to build resiliency. I think of the excursions as one of the ways we do that.
EdOdyssey has been a wonderful partner with the Northeastern Scholars Program over the past 4 years. They've seen the evolution of this program, and we've seen an evolution in their company. They continue to learn about the growing needs of educational opportunities like cultural immersion and place-based learning that come from our shared partnership.
While the excursions in and of itself isn't necessarily studying, it does help you with your work-life balance, and it sort of gives you a break from your studying so you can have fun and still engage yourself in the city's culture.
So EdOdyssey plans the excursions so well. They're thorough in making sure that teenagers need to be entertained. They need to have something to do, but also have enough freedom that we want to feel like we're doing something on our own, which they have. They've been so good about having that balance.
It's super interesting to see a different perspective, and just that these opportunities are almost a way of seeing what could be and what you could be interested in.
Everyone in college comes from a different place, in a different background, in a different culture, and experiences like this just open your eyes up to the fact that there are people from different areas, and there are different cultures that are present within your world.
I think in this first year I've been able to decide that I feel like I already do know who I am pretty much, and it's not so much about finding out who I am, but finding out who I can be and who I want to be.
If people can appreciate these excursions for what they're meant for, which is not only learning, but community building and really finding that circle of people who you can call your own, and I think that's really what this is all about.
The first year sets the trajectory. If students feel connected and engaged early to each other, to place, to purpose, they stay. And when they stay, they thrive and they succeed.